Good morning, students. I am your English teacher from Vittal Matriculation. Today, Thursday class. Okay, students. Uh, how are you today? I think you are all fine. Okay, I am happy to hear that. It's so great to see you again. Okay, students. Right. Okay, students. Once again, I ask the questions. Who can tell me what day is it? Yes. Today, once again I tell you the question. Who can tell me what day is it today? Please inform to me. Okay. Yes. Today, what day? Yes. Okay. Okay. Good. Today. Thursday class. Okay. Today Thursday. Right. Very good. Okay. Okay, students. Now, today we also see fourth standard English. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, students. Uh, See here. Just 1 second. What is happening? Last class we also saw that. Yes. C S. Okay. Last class we are completed the trick robot already completed, you know, right? Trick robot already completed. Yes. Wait. Yes. See here. Okay. Choose the correct option already completed. Okay. Yes. These are all the book back exercises already completed. You know. Yeah. Good. Right. These are the completed. My robot already we have see the form, you know, that's already we are complete, you know. Yeah, good. Right. Okay, match the rhyming words, fill in the blanks, already we are completed, no. Yes. Yeah, listen the audio and answer the following, already we are completed, you know, because they are happening, that's going on the junction, you know. Right, already completed. Okay, it's also already completed. Okay. See, yeah, last class we are completed my robot expo. Yes, robot expo also completed. Right, good. You are the good student, no? So you are prepared well, definitely. And next day I make a, I mean I conduct the test. Okay, so you are prepared well. Today, what are the happening? Today we all see. Uh, Begin to end till you are prepared well. Okay, definitely next day we are making to the test. Okay, right. uh, Choose the correct answer. I are completed. Yes. Okay, today what are the happening today we all see means, see here, application form, annual day, what participation, application how to write today we are see. Okay. Yes, good. Just I try to fill the form. After you try to fill the form your own way. Okay. So today homework this page. Okay. You are fill in the box and what? Wait. Definitely you are write the homework tomorrow. I mean I next class I check in your WhatsApp. So you are sent on WhatsApp number. Okay, right. uh, Finally begin to end of the homework, uh, the end of the class I inform you. Okay, right. Okay, students, today we all see what is it, application form, annual day, participations. Okay, are clear? Okay, first of all we are what are the happenings they are mentioned after we are fill it. Okay, so it's also homework, don't forget. Okay, right. See here, application form annual day participation should be filled in black letters. Okay, they are mentioned. Your right mean definitely you are making to the what? Yes, good. That is mm, black letters. It mean by capital letters. Though, so they are mentioned. Okay, so they are mentioned. What are the questions out here? Just we see here. Okay, first one, name of the student. Name of the student mean who's write the letter. So you write letter mean definitely put in your name. I write mean I write in my name. So okay, right. Second one, standard. Okay, standard also here. Okay, second one, standard, and section and roll number. Okay, you're right. Standard, section, roll number, these are all the happening. You all feel that clear? Okay, yeah, good. uh See, third one also here, you know. Goodbye. Okay, father's name. Okay, father's name. Your father name just to write here. Okay, just you get in your father's name in your right capital letter only. Okay, right. Next, you write your mother name. Next, you write your date of birth, not our date of birth, your date of birth. Okay, gender, male or female, you write it. Okay, just you click tick. Okay, just you are making mark. Okay, finally I fill in the box. Okay, next you are see, tick the competition that you want to participate in. Which competition you are participate, you are write it. Okay, just you are click tick, it's not a problem. Okay, right. Next one, 8 also here. Already participated mean your participate mean yes, your cannot participate, sorry, your don't participate mean your make no, yes or no, it's not a problem, anyone you write here. Okay, ninth one, select the participate season. Okay, sorry, select the practice season. Okay, select the practice season. See here, which time to practice. For example, 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. your practice mean definitely your tick here. Practice also season 4:30 to 5:30. Your practice mean definitely your click this box. Okay, finally your mentions the 10th one, address also here. You are just like that, you are making to the address. Okay, address. Next you are make to the pin to anyone, 614203, anyone, any your address. Okay, you fill in your address. Okay, next you are put your telephone number or mobile number, anyone. Telephone number, you have a telephone number mean definitely you are put telephone number. You have a mobile mean you are write the mobile number here. Okay, you are fill this dashes. Okay, and they are already right here. Yes, see here, I hereby declare that I apply for participating in this function on my own interest and with my parents consent. Okay, you are participating mean your parents consent needed, so you are fill this form. Okay, okay students, next finally you are put signature of the student. Okay, signature of the student, who's the student? Yeah, you are all the students, so you put inverse sign to here. Okay, where put you tell me? Yes, you are put inverse sign to here. Right, good. See here, signature of the parent. Okay, signature of the parent mean put your parent signature to here. Okay, right. First of all, now I fill the application form. Okay, so you have paste, see here, paste your recent passport size photo. So you have put in your photo to here. Okay, right. This set, just gum your photo after you put here. Okay, right. It's also in your homework. Okay, right. Now I fill the, yes, I fill the application. Right, to here, listen me, just wait. First name I write here. Okay, students, just listen properly. Good. your fill only capital letter, okay. So now we fill here just one space also here, because it is not because you're right in your initial, so now we one space and another write the initial, okay. Suresh, I write the name is Suresh on box also here, because I make a space, okay. So his initial is R, because Suresh is one of boy, so I tell his, okay, female name I write mean what her, okay. Suresh also here, so Suresh R now I write here, okay. Are clear? Okay, good. Next you have the what standard? Which standard you are studying? Yes, you are studying 4th standard, okay. So now I at 4th standard, okay. 4th standard section also here, section box also, empty box also here. What is right here? Yes, section mean A or B or C, anyone right. So now we write A. Which section you right mean A or right, B or you write, anyone you write here. So now we write, for example, I write here A, okay. Roll number also here. This is the roll number. So for example, you put in your roll number, okay. Okay. So for examples, I write here. For example, 1, 2, 3 is roll number. For example, till you put in your roll number to here, okay. Right. See here. Yes, father's name. You fill in your father name, okay. So now I write father name, okay. See, listen here. Yes, Rajesh. Fully your full capital letter only, boys, students. Okay, girls, listen. Okay, Rajesh. His initial is what? Yes, his initial is M. So right here M. Okay, this M. See here M. Okay, Rajesh M. Okay. Mother's name. I write here mother's name. What that mother's name? I write here. Okay. Fully your full capital letter only. Okay, students. Okay. See here. Yes, it's on a capital letter only. I fill the box. Okay. Right. See here. It's R clear. R also here now. Right. Skala R. Okay. Name is Skala. Okay. Date of birth. Date of birth means you put in your own date of birth. Okay. So now for examples, I tell one date of birth. Okay. For example, okay. For example, I tell date of birth. Okay. Okay. In your data birth you fill here, okay. Just examples for now I fill here. Just you write in your data birth, okay. Finally was the 6th one also here, Yes, 6th one also here. Gender. What is your gender? You are male or females, okay. Just you write like that. You mention male mean you tick male. If female mean you tick female. Anyone, okay. So now I tick male, okay. You are put male or male mean you put male. You female mean you put female. You tick this box, okay. Clear? Okay. See here, tick the competition that you want to participate in, okay. Which competition you participate mean just you what? Yes, you tick the box, okay. So dancing, singing, speech, drama, storytelling. Anyone? Yeah. For example, you are participate dancing mean you are tick the dancing, okay. You are singing mean you are tick singing. Your speech mean you are tick speech. Your participate drama mean you are tick here. Your storytelling mean you are tick here, okay. Clear? Okay, students. See, already participated, yes or no, they are asked the questions. What? You are already participate mean you tick the box, yes. You cannot participate mean you tick here, okay. It's not a problem. Anyone already your participate mean you are put yes. You cannot you don't participate mean you are put no, okay. Right. 9th one also here, okay. Select the participate season. They are mentioned. Select the participate season. Which participate season mean which time? 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. They are mentioned. For example, 8:30 a.m. in morning time. Okay, 8:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. morning. I mean you are go to school at that time. Okay, 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Then. Okay. See, and one 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. also here. Okay. It is one of the participate season, right? Participate season. Fourth one, what here? Yes, good. 4:30. Anyone? So now I write. Yes. Okay. Now I take participate season 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. You like anytime you are put it. Okay. Your morning time you practice mean you are put 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. You are giving, I mean noon time, evening time you are practice mean you are put here 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Clear? Okay. Finally we are making to the address. Okay, for example I tick. Okay, for example I write the what I write here address for it, but you write in your address. Okay, okay, fully you are full capital letter only. Okay, okay students, number 12A. Okay, South Street. See here, listen. Okay, are here students? Okay, listen me. Okay, okay, see here South Street, which is place? Yes, now right here South Street. Okay, South Street also now right here, right? Because you write your street address. Okay, your street address, right? Clear? Okay, your street address, right? Next now write yes, because I have Tanjavur mean Tanjavur. I write here Tanjavur. Okay. Okay, good. I write Tanjavur mean, so now I write here Tanjavur. Okay. What? Yeah, Tamil Nadu mean Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu mean Tamil Nadu. Okay, Tamil Nadu. So you write here Tamil Nadu. Right. Pin code. For example, I write here. For example, one code number I write here. Okay. For example, I write here. Right here. Your code number you fill it. Okay. For example only. Okay. Don't write it. Okay. Your address you put here. Okay. And send me on our WhatsApp number. Okay. Right. Telephone number. So for example, I write here. What number? Okay, 9 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, it is one of the telephone number. For example, I tell it. For example, I tell what? For example, I tell telephone number. Your mobile number mean just like that. N 1 2 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Once again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 numbers also here. What is that? 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Once again, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 number also here. Okay, are you clear? So this number means 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It is number. Okay, it's, for example I write the letter. Okay, I mean write the number. You write in your mobile number. Okay, so finally they are already mentioned. I nearby declare that I apply for participating in this function on my own interest and with my parents' consent. Okay, finally you are put signature of the students. Oh, so you write the signature to here. Okay, and signature to here, right? Your signature. Finally you put your father or mother signature. Okay, you see here. Okay, put the signature to here. Okay, right? Are you clear? Okay, so see here signature of the parents already you have completed. Okay, date mean which date? For example, I tell the date. For example, I put the date. what. Okay, for example I put the date for examples. Okay, okay, fully capital letter. Okay, good. Okay, okay, for example I put the letter. See here, Tanjavur. Okay, it is one of the Tanjavur. Okay, right, clear. Okay. uh, Today you write here and send our WhatsApp number. Okay, right. Clear, students? Okay, listen properly. uh, okay, okay, good. See here, first one, already we have completed the application form, now we are continue. Option A, option B, option C, option D, option E, option E. Okay, right. See here, option A also here. Okay, here choose the correct option. Okay, how you see, choose the correct option. Number one, first one also here, so see here, first one, Vicky's dad got a dash robot. Which is the option? There are three options also here. Yes, option A active, option B lazy, option C trick. So the option is what? Yes, the option is trick. Okay, option is trick. Right. Okay. Good. Right. Okay. Are you here, students? Listen properly. Yes. Second one also here, Vicky decided to dash the robot at the end. Vicky decided to dash the robot at the end. Okay. Finally, keep. Option B sell. Option C price. Option B sell. Okay. Okay, you're right here. Tick here. Is another answer of here. Right. Clear? Choose the correct option. One second. Number one, Vicky's dad bought a dash robot. It is one of the trick robot. Here, that's a tricky robot. They are mentioned trick robot. Okay. Option C. Clear, students? Listen properly. Yes. Second one also here. Okay, right. Vicky decided to dash the robot at the end. First one here, keep. Option A, keep. Option B, sell. Option C, price. Sell also answer. I already tell you, right. See here, and take the plural form. Take the plural form. One lady also here, because lady. Lady means what? It is not singular form. They are given to the plural form. Okay, first one, see, lady. Lady means not a plural form, it is not a singular form. Lady, singular. I mean first person, singular. Okay. Second person, plural. Okay, right here. Good. Ladies. Not like that mistake. Okay, it is on the correct word means ladies. It is not the correct word. So DIES. Okay, we are add IES form. We are remove D or add IES. Okay, other vowels A E I E O. So I like I. Okay, vowels. Okay, right here. So now I take ladies. It's not the correct word. See, okay. Next here, what is it? Yes, key also here. This is the correct answer. Yes. Yes. See here, keys. That is ES form. It is one of the keys. Okay. Here add keys. It is another plural form. Yes. Okay. Now tick here plural form. Clear? Good. See here, first one, catch, berry and berry also. Berry is one of the like that sweet, First one in the catch also here. Catch, which is the plural form of catch? Okay, now I write here, just listen properly. Are clear, students? Good. Okay. Okay, catches. Your add cath. Okay, cath. Okay, simply your add es. Okay, simply your add es form. Clear? Are clear, students? Okay, good. Berry also here. It's like that fruit, tasty one of the tasty fruit. Right. Uh, okay, berry also here, like that berry. Yes. Okay, good. How to add the word mean? Definitely, just I write here. Okay, just see. Okay, the first letter I take it. Okay, okay, listen me. B E. Okay, B E R R Y. Okay, berry also I write that here. Okay, so sorry students, I make it mistake. B R R, not a Y. Okay, just like that mistake. Okay, so now right here. Okay, B E R R I E S, just your add I E S. Okay, just your add B E R R I E S. It is not the correct word. It is not the plural. Okay, E S E S I E S E S. That is vowels. I also vowels. Okay, I A E I O U E. Already I vowels. So I, okay, vowels. Okay, just add plural form. Okay, right here. Now we all see option D also here, connect the rhyming words. Just we all see connect the rhyming words. It is the rhyming words. Already we all see the poem, the last same word is also rhyming word. Okay, just we all match the rhyming words also here, right? See here, strong, long, strong, long, because it is on the same pronunciation, so you are mentioned song, strong, along. Okay, that is song. It is strong, boldness. Okay, strong. Okay, so now I match the strong, long. Okay, see here. So I match. Okay, strong, along. I match. Are you clear? Are you clear? Okay, good. Next we see call. Call also WL also here. Tall, WL also here. So call, TALL, CAL also here. See here. So now I match call, tall. It is on the same pronunciation. Okay. So now I match it. Okay. Are you clear, students? Okay. Good. Back, sack, back sock. Sorry, back sock. Back also sock also here, which is a match here. Back sock. Okay. Right. Okay. So match back sock. Okay. Are clear? Okay, good. Okay. Next we have see